Let's pick up with Dan Lacalle. A couple of stories just to tick the box with you. Does China need a new technology exchange in Shanghai, or a new board? I mean, effectively, you've got Chinext in Shenzhen. Hong Kong also positioned itself really for dual listing of Chinese technology companies. Do we need another board, or does this tell us something about China's desperate need for foreign capital?
I think that it tells us quite a lot about its need to attract capital. I think that it does not need it, but it's a smart move. I think that it's a smart move because if it puts in that index those companies that are on a startup phase, those that actually go up very, very significantly when they start succeeding and when their ideas are the brightest, then obviously it's going to attract a lot more capital than it is doing right now. I think it's a way of continuing to have capital controls as the country has, while at the same time trying to find ways to get foreign investors to put money into the tech space. It's a smart move. I don't know if it'll work, but it's definitely a smart move.
Do investors care about red ink? I mean, red ink. We've seen so many companies come to market that do not make a profit. Yeah. And now we have all the big items, all the names that everybody knows of in the space coming to market this year. Leaf, Duber, and potentially others down the track. Do investors care that they don't make money at this point?
Investors start to care. Start to care because there's a phase in which you start to get really nervous about something that goes from being a good idea to being a legitimate business. And as technology is evolving so rapidly and so many companies are coming to the market, delivering starts to be more and more important. And that is the reason actually why inflow of capital into startups is being much more selective, because before it looked like it was almost like a safe bet to put money on anything and not care about earnings. But now you need to really look at legitimate, valid businesses.
Frees up a lot of money, though, from private markets, doesn't it? A lot of money has been trapped in some of these big names for a long time. So it could be interesting for that private market. Anyway.